Welcome back, investors, to Ticker Time News. I am Adam, and Roku is establishing a great connection with investors with its futuristic, first of its kind partnership with Walmart. So, what's so futuristic and fantastic about this partnership? Well, Walmart will be the exclusive retailer on Roku's platform. Just think about it like this: you're watching your favorite TV show on a Roku TV, and during the show, your favorite character is eating a bag of popcorn. And you're like, I wish I had that popcorn right now. And then the show cuts to a commercial. And guess what? The commercial is for that popcorn. So you grab your Roku remote, you push one button, and now a box of that popcorn is being shipped to your front door. That's a pretty amazing future for companies to milk as much money as possible from the consumer, but it's very convenient for the consumer as well and offers many opportunities. But for now, the partnership allows Walmart to place ads either before, during, or after a certain movie or TV show. And you'll be able to click one button on your Roku remote, okay, to buy the product in that commercial. Think of it like this: clicking on an ad on a website, and it takes you to a different website where you can place an order to buy that product. But this is for TV streaming. And instead of companies trying to mess around with QR codes that you have to scan just right on the TV commercial, you'll be able to do it in just a single click with your Roku remote. And the transaction is handled through Roku Pay. And the product is shipped from Walmart to your front door. So, not quite as futuristic as I described with the popcorn, but pretty close. You can see the potential here, right? For the retailers that want to partner with streamers like maybe Netflix. Netflix already wants to offer a lower tier that is ad supported. So, there you go, Netflix. There's your next revenue stream. This is just amazing, and it takes streaming ads to a whole new level. Now, back to Roku and Walmart. This news might not be a total shock since Roku was already partnered with Walmart through the retailers on ONN TVs. Also, perhaps after Roku announced new shoppable ad experiences in its ad buying platform, OneView, just last month, it was only a matter of time before the company sealed the deal with an e-commerce organization. Well, it's Walmart. But still, although shares are not being jolted higher, I view the partnership as a stepping stone to unlock many possibilities, like what I described at the beginning of this video about the popcorn. Roku has a direct relationship with its users, giving it a fundamental advantage over companies that utilize third-party data to derive advertising revenue, which has become much harder to track after Apple implemented its app tracking transparency framework just last year. With this first-party data, Roku's partnership has a good chance of turning out to be a real success. In that case, the company may be flooded with other retailers looking to utilize its ad technology, helping to boost its overall revenue. Furthermore, the partnership could lead to a long-term partnership with Netflix, and Netflix utilizing Roku's advertising technology for its strategy to offer an advertising-based plan. Remember, Netflix CEO acknowledged that he has been against the complexity of advertising and is a big fan of the simplicity subscriptions bring. So, if Roku can solve the complexity problem with the advertising-based video on demand, Netflix may be enticed to use Netflix for its lower-tier plans. Adding to this likelihood were recent reports that Netflix was reaching out to Roku along with Comcast to assist with advertising technology. Neither Roku nor Walmart disclosed the partnership's financials, but it would seem as though Roku would receive a piece of every transaction since it's happening on Roku Pay. Then Walmart will receive the rest for the fulfillment of the order. Even if the relationship doesn't add significantly to Roku's bottom line, I believe that it will lead to material growth over the long run. And this has got me really excited for Roku again. With shares down over 60% on the year as Roku contends with constrained TV supplies and slower user growth, the stock looks attractive for buy and hold investors as Roku is putting further distance between it and its competition as a leader in the connected TV market. With this move by Roku, Roku has found a place on my shopping list once again. Once this market finds its bottom and begins to turn around and we begin the next bull cycle. How about you? Will you be adding Roku to your shopping list with this development? Do me a favor, click that like button, share this video, and come join us in beating this crazy market by clicking the first link in the description. We'd love to see you there. And if it's your first time watching, click subscribe. For Ticker Time News, I'm Adam. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.